beli pi baro ang pilihan subhay pi cukup kubor mentah kejan mit, cuaban pas kubor kebabnya ini pecuai kimat berkongsan. Yata yang kejung jing sep jong jimpang COVID hak yang lorbar tauan gejala ajing pensyai ke menteri ketenat hak ni kebentang. Panjang penstam keseng VPP ya kibatak film Rongyong hakikali penrem yang kejung penenkam ya kisairen bat kitendong pelaj air basawa. Tak nong yalam keseng VPP nanong krem ubah adan mula bersaya mat ia ke sorkar jela ban pensange ia kejung putrekam ia ke rooster system. Badan tep kerteng keseng BJP habaro art lagi seat penyakun hak election Lok Sabha House number 1. Kikubor kibabnya ka menteri ke bakmi ya tenak ke kya ikong amperin lengdo ne ke sngi laong ba ke pisa ke bayo ha ke bedai berkejing pang covid balapan sunu thu bakla ja ni lapendon kam bakla hendai ya ke pisa 4 lut batshen an supply ya ke pisa kat kum kejing pendap ya ki kam ki baladap mang ila ajubab ya kane hadian balami kejing kelino MLA ke sang VPP no North Shillong ba Adelbert Nongrum halor ke RTI bala ujor da uba dispersing rani kaba ulah kena balpenun kam bakla ya supply kelur tengka balamang nagabentar kelam COVID-19 hak jela. Ikong lengdo ilai thu baha ka por jong kelam COVID ke sorkar pedeng lang bakat Ministry of Health and Family Welfare kelawan ra ya ke emergency COVID response package man ajeng kersyan ya ke jela banyak kun persya ya ke kelam. Haswai kene uba Adelbert ulah betha ya ke sorkar jela ban pensai pajba halor ke jing sep jong pisa belayo nak sorkar pedeng hakikam bayadai bat kejing pang COVID-19 hak jalan kalaya.
During the COVID pandemic period, Union of India, through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, had come up with an emergency COVID response package to support the efforts of state in its efforts towards fighting COVID. The package was accorded to Meghalaya in 2 phases, viz. ECRP Phase 1, ECRP Phase 2. This was funded through the National Health Mission.
UMLA kesang VPP uba adan mula besaya mat negas ngi ula dawaban penstam ya gitu kibak penken ya lade kum ki VIP da ka penan kami ki yet yang hakikali jongki habawan ra ya kan mat ha kenta kali jengkeli yang dorbar thawaan ba besaya mat ula ang baki dan shibun ki breu ki balai lade kum ki VIP ula kena ba kum kini ki breu ban ki ba penan kami ki yet yang teng kila bandai ki perlok jongki VIP ki bahieng lani ki bi trelang pok katnat rekam haba jubab menteri rangba ukon rat ke sangma lo pentikna ha kayeng ba an penstam mardor lada ka sorkar kayo jing ujor halor kani da ka ba angru wat ha ka kali jong uklam ta ya ka flem Rongyong kidon kumbasis pa laingut ki VIP ha ka dan ba per ki bakan to bi arngut hapo ka Z plus kategori supongot hapo ka Z kategori khat khandai ngut hapo ka Y kategori bat nyu fo arngut hapo ka X kategori ulaang.
It seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put the back frames on the vehicles, even the vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as VIPs, taking the advantage under that covers?
Through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.
Unong elam kasang VPP nanong kram ba adan mila besaya moj ula betha ke sorkar ban pensange ya kejing petrekam jong kerus sistem namar kani kan sadan kejing kta ke bejur ya kinong snong ha ke jela da ke bara ya kani kemat ha kejing yata ke sngi bahan riu jong kedor bar mang tengka ba besaya moj ula ang ba ya ke reservation policy bementa kalabha sauputlin yang kejaka na ke benta ki garu bat khasi kat ba ki weipat ki long ar photli Hakajuk kapor ki MLA nakaseng VPP berkentuk iba Arden mele besayamaj iba Bright Star Well marbanyang berba adalbat nongrum ha kabagi simbentah kajing ekran balawan ra ada unong yalam keseng Kongres iba Charles Marngar henne kasngi kilawan ra da kamap jong ka jela haking dorbar thoan ban pi bakat tu kat ni kijaka balakam da ka asam ki hap hapo uput usam jong ka Meghalaya.
To raise or to speak on the issue of roster system. We don't have any intention or ill feeling against any particular community. And I would like also to express very clearly that we are not against the roster system. We are not against the roster system. However, we want that the government should put on hold the implementation of roster system pending the review of the reservation policy. We have the problem with the reservation policy, not with the roster system.
Kaseng BJP Meghalaya kan setiap kerting i kertong banyakun hak election ar-hajar apusau sehing dorbar Lok Sabha nagamentay ki Artli Kisuki na Meghalaya ang Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry ke Sarkar Meghalaya bad ubalong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP uba Alexander Lalu Hek uba Hek ula ang baki BJP kadai kaseng National Party bad kadai yaka bantep kerteng naka Meghalaya Henry yaka rai bakado pat ansashim da kaseng kmi na Delhi la ban kedau bahakini kendiat sengi baladap ha kajing yalang ke United Democratic Party ka badai kad khot jong sarkar senrop MDA laya keren sepang kajing ajing mut babarok kiseng san pertegi badan ha sarkar senrop kin ai jing kershan ya ukertong mon lang ha kani ke election banwan sakiyeng dorbar Lok Sabha.
High Command will decide, but they will set up their own candidate. But the High Command will decide.
So, set up own candidate.
Of course, the BJP is a national party. They should have their own candidate only. They will decide, but the High Command, national leaders will decide.
MLA kaseng Kongres na gambagre usaleng sangma ulabanya bagi MLA kamtam kibadai nak liang persya kim syamyo ya kapor bapura ban keren hapo kayeng. Hapa penpau lor gajing penwai no jong ulam pang kayeng dorbar u Thomas A Sangma ya dorbar hagapor kat arbaje shiteng sngi nalor gajing karpat ban aipor kambun usaleng ulapentip bala aipor ya ki MLA tang kumba shipho minit ban keren kabala syukut no tang ha kabala syukran lamprang. Kat kumus sangma ke MLA kidai kinong mi khmat jongi pajba bat kadai ka hok jongki ban pensngo ya kijing jongi pajba hapo kayeng.
Ten minutes for each MLA is very, very less. Whereas even you cannot express, it ends up with introduction itself. And then moreover, expressing the public grievances within the house. So, like even the time is very short. Now private membership bill is very, very less. And then moreover, they did not extend. So it's very true whatever the others have said. It's very true. We should have given ample time to discuss the grievances, the problems, all the whatever the society requires actually, because we represent public.
Kipulit kilayo kurup yo drug basyong don rupolak tengka balayo kem yo way nong kayi drug ha East Jante Hills District inen kasngi. UDGP kami kilaya LR Bishnoy ulaang balayo kem yo way usnar nong kayi drug harengkat heroin basyong don rupolak tengka nakatahan lumsnong. Ya kani kajing kem lalek di kinhun pulit jong ke East Jante Hills District. Kumban supan kenmau hakatiyaw baar jong benai leber ki pulit ke East Jante Hills District layo kurup yo drug basyong dor lai po ar lak tengka bat layo kem ru ya laingut kinong kayi drug. Hakajo kapor ki pulit layo kem ya laingut kinong kayi drug ha bernihat. Hadin balayo jing tip ki pulit kilap nong jing upshrip hakawai kejaka hajan ke bernihat. Police outpost ha ke balapan sange ya kawai ke kali Maruti Alto 800. Pat hadin jong kajing watnya layo kurup ya kat sau teliki senduk saban badan ya shispa sau po point lai gram heroin. Mentapat ngin pe kajing long jingman kesuneng Shalong. Kajing shit kalong R point kendai degree Celsius but kajing tek kalong khat sau degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong ripu prana ki spa men step bat sau puai na kisi spa jan mit. Kala abandan kajing hap slap ka bamalumala hakikat tu kat ne ki jaka Shalong. Sa isin pan ngi penken mai pi bagi ni kubor jongi pila ru ban pe live hakaju kapor haka YouTube channel bat ru pila ban pe kubor man la ka sngi haka Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jong news Shalong. Chua ban pe cukup jong tu kubor ngi pe biang sa isin ni kemat bakong san. Yata ya kajing jing sab jong kajing pang COVID haka yang dor ba thau an gejala ajing panchai ke menteri ketnat haka ni ke benta. Panjang pensistem keseng VPP ya ki batak plim rongyong haki kali penrem ya kajing penkam ya ki siren bat ki tendang pelai air pasawa. Betha nong elam keseng VPP hanong krem nanong krem uba aden mele besayang mat ya ke sarkar jela ban pensang ya kajing perekam ya ke roster system. Bat antep kerteng keseng BJP habaro art lagi seat banyakun hak election Lok Sabha Haus Namban 1. Ti perlu keting nepois kubukut jeng tu kubor jeng im taga janmit hadu mencem yang berpilih syah kesi kulai pi parok.
सोचिए अगर असल जिंदगी